so that I know. 'Cause that
Demon YouTube, welcome back for another video. First off, let me say this. Thank you for all the love and support from my recent video from yesterday. You're the best, and let's keep it going, yo. If you have any more videos like that you want me to react to, just know you guys enjoy and love those videos. Let me know, comment below, and let's get right to this video. So it's gonna be surround sound test video from COCONA, my wifey. I mean, man, all of them from yesterday are all my wifey. Fuck it. Let's get right to this. Damn. Oh, hold on. We get the subtitle in this bit. We finally get the subtitle in here. So that's what she said in the beginning. She was just pronouncing her stage name, her brand. Okay. Yo, this beat go crazy. I can hold you back. She said, C2. Damn. How tall she is? She looks like she's like 5'2", 5'3". Yo, her flow is crazy. How old is she? How long has she been rapping? How come now she's trending and blowing up? I bet she was in the game for a while. I bet she was. Y'all tell me, yo, I know one of y'all know a little bit more about her. And don't worry, the next video is gonna be all four of them. Yeah, so first is her, next one is gonna be Maya probably. I don't know, we'll see for tomorrow's video. But this finishes up now. C to the O to the